everyone? I hope you guys are having a fantastic day. Today will be a little bit of a different video. It will be a vlog. We are going down to the junkyard and seeing if we can find any parts for my BMW E46. If many of you guys don't know, this is where I pick up a lot of parts for my BMW E46. Not stuff like suspension and brakes and anything that's wearable, but a lot of little plastic bits, a lot of rare stuff I look for, interior bits, anything that I can find that I know is worth value to me that I want to put on my car or resell. So we're gonna head down to the junkyard and I'm gonna take you along with me and show you guys what they have there. I'll probably be vlogging on my phone just because my camera is a little big with the microphone sticking out, but I am starting this video on my camera. So we'll catch you guys when we're at the junkyard. So everyone, I wanted to show you guys what I actually grabbed from the junkyard. I have all these trim pieces for the door, more on that later. You'll see in the future, obviously the other side, the long ones for the doors, a new door handle, and this, a new trunk seal. My trunk seal on my E46 is really bad. This is my F10, but this is really bad on my E46. It's cracking, stuff like that. I bought a different one before and it started leaking. This is the correct one for my car, for my coupe, so I did buy that. Hopefully it won't have any tears in it and I'll clean it up with some Sonic stuff. But yeah, this is what I got. All this stuff was around $40, I believe, so not too bad. All these clips are intact. These are kind of expensive, so that's kind of why I picked them up. More on what I'll be doing with that, but picked all those up and now we're gonna head home. So I was editing this video and realized I never created an outro or even finished this video. So I want to conclude this video by saying you saw what I got from the junkyard, and I just want to mention how great junkyards are for these BMWs. You can find so many parts at a super cheap deal. When I was doing my whole conversion of my interior from gray to black, I needed new door seals and they were $456. I believe per side for those door seals. I picked them up from the junkyard for $15 a piece. The deals that you can get at the junkyard are super good. If you're looking for xenon headlights for your BMW, you can pick them up for around $75, smack in some new bulbs, and those are great. When I was in college, my freshman and sophomore years of college, and I needed money, I actually was selling stuff from the junkyard. So I'd buy from the junkyard for, let's say, bought a pair of headlights for $75 and I'd flip it for $200 or even $300. And on some of these E90s and E60s, the parts are even worth more. So going to the junkyard is a great opportunity to pick up some great parts for yourself, or hey, if you don't need them, get them and flip them. It's just an awesome place. Especially the pick and pull places are usually the places to go to. If you have to actually ask for a part and they have to pull it, it's usually not a good deal. They know what it's worth. But at a place that I go, they charge the same amount for a BMW part as they do a Ford part. So it's very good deals, very good profit margins if you're looking to resell parts. And that's really what I do. If I find something that I know is worth money, I'll take it. For usually my car now, I don't usually pull parts, but on the occasion I will pull parts and sell them if I find it to be a very good deal to resell. So with all this said, I just wanted to make a video showing about what I find at the junkyard, what it looks like, what I take from the junkyard, and just a lot of people don't know about the junkyards. They're really great places. I know in Europe they're not necessarily a thing. It's more people break them down and sell the parts. But here in the United States, we have junkyards, and I think if you guys can find parts and they're in good condition, use them. So I just want to make this video. Hopefully this doesn't hurt my luck of me finding these awesome deals at the junkyard and people coming along taking them, but I wanted to share this with you guys because I think it's very important, especially if you own an E46, to go find parts at a junkyard, because these parts are becoming increasingly more rare. And I even found, like I mentioned, I don't think I mentioned this, but my first aid kit I got that at the junkyard. I've gotten so many great things at the junkyard. I love it. I go there basically every week and try to scavenger parts that I need, and I'm going to continue doing that for my E46 and whatever other cars I have that are available at junkyards. So that's all I have for this video. Give this video a huge huge thumbs up, consider subscribing, and also check out my ECS and Amazon affiliate link down below, as it helps out the channel at no cost to you, as I get a small kickback that goes right into the channel. So I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thank you so much for watching.